because it's cheap, it's abundant, and when it's fresh and slightly wet, very easy to work with. It takes almost no effort. Now by hand, it would have taken about 3 hours for a skilled craftsman to make one pair of wooden shoes, and I'm not a skilled craftsman. So instead, I'm going to use this lathe to do the work for me. It's the same kind of machine we use to copy keys. Only this time we'll be using it to copy a shoe from the model on your right to the block on your left. And instead of this taking 3 hours, it will only take 5 minutes. First bit will take 2.
Wood chips everywhere.
As you can see, it is a very difficult job. But in just about 2 minutes, we've been finished rough outside. Now we're still not done. We still need to hollow out the inside as well. By hand, the outside would have taken about 2 hours. The inside, with one of these, would have taken another hour. It's called a spoon scoop, and we had multiple sizes. The idea was to push them in and twist and twist and twist, and that just hurts your wrists. So instead we can do it a lot faster and a lot easier, and that's what we're going to do. Once again, we're using the same idea as copying a key, only this time following from the model on your left to the shoe on your right. And instead of this taking 1 hour, it should only take 1 minute.
Good job. Good job, sir.
And just like that, we have the inside hollowed out. Now we're still not done, because we still need to do the front and the end the old-fashioned way, by hand, with a big pole knife like this, one piece at a time. Same thing for the back. And there we have it. Finished rough model. Now I say model because we're actually still not all the way done. The wood is still wet, and I'll try to show you. Oh wow. So about half of the weight is water, and we need to let them dry out first. We can't try speeding it up using heat or the sun, because the wood will expand and then crack. We need to start all over again. So instead, we let them air dry for 4 weeks. Then we sand them down on a big sandpaper belt like this. Same on the inside. And this is the final result. It's a small wooden shoe for a child of about 4 years old. Now that does look pretty big. But that's for a good reason, because Dutch people wear big shoes. We also wear them with wool socks and with 1 finger space behind our foot to prevent blistering and for added comfort. The shoe is insulated, so you stay nice and warm. They're also waterproof, so you stay nice and dry. But most importantly, they're impact resistant. So even if an animal steps on your foot or something heavy falls off the shelf, your feet stay warm, safe and dry. They stay happy, you stay happy. Now we've been wearing them for 1,000 years, and because of those reasons, we will keep wearing them in the future as well. And I thank you all very much for listening.
Thank you.
So cool.